Everyone, and good afternoon. I'm back with an Aliexpress haul, and we've got lots of goodies again today. Oh my gosh, some really scrumptious goodies today. I cannot wait to show you some of these real, but when I say bargains, oi mister, when I say I'm sorry, his little tail just knocked things flying. I have some really good good finds. What I'm doing with AliExpress is trying to find you the best and cheapest craft items, but not rubbish, you know, things that you can actually use and things that, you know, you good value for money. And I've found some today, which I'm really chuffed about. And there's a seller on AliExpress, which I will link to and tell you all about in a minute. But let me put these to the side and I'll work my way through these. So, what we have here, okay, so the first thing we have is this lovely little die here, and it's a weird shape, and when it arrives, the thing is, I order so many things, that when they arrive and something turns up, I'm like, okay, what was I supposed to do with that, and I have to go back and have a look, and, oh, my goodness me, so anyway, it turned up, and I'm like, oh, okay, not quite sure, but, silly me, it makes these gorgeous sort of flip cards, or makes a gorgeous edge. I haven't poked my things out properly. Look, got loads of little bits left in here. I didn't do it properly. I rushed it. I have actually ripped this one as well, but that's my fault because I tried to pull it out of the die without poking the holes out properly. So look, I ripped it. Never mind, you won't do the same mistake, will you? So it makes these gorgeous. Now I've done this 9 by 3, and then all I did, so it's 9 by 3, and all I did was do each end and then fold it over. It does overlap, so if you wanted them to actually meet like that, I would do 3 1/4, or 9 1/4 or 9 1/2 long, but just experiment. But you know, this is really cute for a really cute tuck spot, or something for your journals or cards, little invites, save the dates. Super cute. And guess how much this was? 90 flipping pence. 90 pence. I mean, look, you know, you could have an awful lot of fun with this die. Really cute. This is pocket money finds, really, honestly. You know, you can really build your collection up with these at these prices. Just fantastic. And I have this, I haven't made really any projects with some of these things, but let me show you. It's this rose and leaves die, and it makes this rose and 2 lots of leaves. One's still in the packet, but it makes 2 lots. And obviously, you know, if you cut that out in one colour, then cut it out in another colour, like say pink, you can use the negative bits and fill it in, so it's, you know, not a see-through kind of one. But very cute. And this was £1.09. So let me put these away in here. Charles is on the rampage at the moment. I've got Lewis on the floor. So that was £1.09 for the rose and the leaves. Then we have this. Now I couldn't find the price for this one, but it will be in the link if I can find it. And it is this set of hearts and leaves. So you've got a heart, then these come together. So you've got the 2 leaves, the 2 leaves, and this heart die. Okay. Now the leaves are just leaves, so they're really cool to use with flowers, etc. So you've got the 2 leaves, and then the hearts are these layered hearts here. Oh, if I can get it. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the one in the middle, 5. Like I said, I can't find the price for these, but I think it was around about £1, I would say, but not bad because you've got the leaves and the hearts. So if you're trying to build up your die collection, quite inexpensive way to do it. And then look at this one. This is so much fun, and I wanted to make a card, but I just didn't get time. Look, it makes these really cool plasters. Look, so you could make a get well card and just stick the boo boo plasters on. Look how cute they are. Look, 2 different size plasters or band-aids. And you also get, like, there's 2 little hearts. Oh, get off. And 2 little squares, but I'm not sure what you would do with the squares. You've got 2 squares and 2 hearts. So I just thought that was really cute for a get well card, but I just didn't get around to making it. So that was really cute, and oh, I did have the price for that, and where to put it. Let me just get me a piece of paper that Charles is, sitting on. So the plasters are £1.51. They're £1.51. And he's shaking his paw at me because he's not happy. Then we have this great big alphabet die, and it is all of the alphabet and the numbers. I haven't cut them out. I've been very lazy. These are quite big as well, quite big letters. I'll say just under an inch tall, and these were I'm gonna say £3.60. Yes, they are £3.60 for the alphabet dies, and like I said, they're a nice shape, size as well. So £3.60 for those. And this is not bad. This was £3.60, but you get an awful lot of dies in here. Look, these are layering shapes, and I've cut these out just so that you can see. You get 3, which are like a shield, crest, whatever. So there's 1, 2. Is there 3 of those or 2 of them? Might be 2 of those, sorry. So we've got 2 like that. We've got 1, 2, 3 sunbursts. Actually 4 sunbursts. And then you've got 3 like different label shapes. And then you've got 3 of these sort of shapes as well. So you've got 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 dies for £3.60. Not bad at all. I like these. I don't know what I would use them for, but I thought they'd be actually quite fun in a journal as a tuck spot. You could layer it up and decorate it, and you could even do little tags with these. The labels are super cute, and the sunbursts as well. So £3.60 for all of those dies. So I thought that was really good. Now the next one we have is a stamp set and dies, and they're butterflies. So completely all butterflies. Now what I loved about this stamp set and die, these are the dies, so they're the stamps. Oops. And these are the dies. Now in here we've also got little dies for the antennas. And how many times do you put butterflies on a project, stamp one out, and you've got a fussy cut around the antenna? Antenna is what you call it. Antenna. Feelers, whatever. Oh my gosh. Is it antenna? Why is my brain just suddenly hurting? The little sticky out things. Anyway, and even if you've got other butterfly stamps or butterflies, and you want to cut out little feelers, things, whatever they're called, you've got these little ones here. So super cute, and there's a lot in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different butterflies, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 of the little, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, no 10. So there are 10 different things for those as well. So the price of these are, the stamps are £2.16 and the dies are £3.60. So yeah, that is £5.70, but you know, you've got lovely different butterflies on there, and you certainly would get an awful lot of use from them. So I like them and I got them. Now you wait till I show you this. Oh my goodness me, I couldn't believe it actually. When this arrived, I thought, oh my gosh, how much did I spend? Because look, there is 10 meters of this lovely, it's cotton, just cotton lace, and there's 10 meters here, and it was £1.35 for 10 meters. I mean, you know, excuse me, you couldn't get that at that price anywhere, and that's with postage. I mean, look how much you get. This is very sort of vintage looking, just gorgeous. I mean, I've been and bought more of this because if you know me well, you know that I get worried if something runs out. Okay, so I have been and bought more. There will be links to all of the products in the description box below, and if you do order, it does get you an entry for every item you buy. Through my links, you get an entry into my AliExpress giveaway. If you want to take part in that, just let me know that you have ordered, and then we'll chat and I'll tell you how many entries you've got and everything. Okay, so the links to the products in the description below, but I just could not believe this. And wait, the seller also sells quite a lot. I mean, I've ordered some more things from them actually. I can't remember the name of the seller. I'm not sure that is the name, but I will put a link to just directly to this seller as well. So I'll put links to the products, but there'll be a link to, I'll just put AliExpress lace seller shop, okay, something like that, in the description below. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different assorted laces, and there's 10 meters in here, and these were £1.55 for a random mix of beige cotton lace, and this is just delicious. If I can open it. I couldn't believe that's all it was actually. And it's nice to have a variety of laces. So you've got some lovely wider ones, which, look at this, just beautiful. So you've obviously got a meter of each one. This is very pretty as well. Look at that one. That is just gorgeous. Like this crocheted lace. I love all of these. And I have gone and ordered some different things from this seller because it is just, look at this one. I love that one. Actually, that's beautiful. And it's very dainty and love that one. That one's gorgeous. I say that a lot, don't I? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Right, okay, and this one is super cute as well. Look at that. I mean, you know, like on your projects, obviously, you know, some of the projects you only use like a little bit of lace. So, you know, you've got, so, I mean, I do love this cotton lace. And this is a random mix, so I can't guarantee you will get the exact same ones. But I do not think you will be disappointed if you use this seller. And these come really quick as well. Not long at all. And you've got this. That's beautiful, look. This is a bit thicker, a bit heavier. But it's gorgeous. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's the same one that I ordered loads of, actually. I do love this very thin. These thin ones are lovely. I do like these thin ones a lot. Look, I'm going to have to fold all this back up now, aren't I? Oh, look at them. And then the last one, so these are £1.55. And what I'll do, I won't link these two separately. I'll just put a link to this seller, and I'll put his link at the top of the description box so that you, if you want to check them out. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So we are sorted for cotton lace, aren't we, Charles? Are you being good today? Why are you sat to the side like that? Oh, no. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dearie me. What are you doing? So this is today's haul. I shouldn't have said anything, should I? Because now he's going to be a little monkey. Aren't you, Charles? So that's today's haul. Hope you've enjoyed it. And I will be back very soon with some more, I was going to say car boot hauls then. Aliexpress hauls. I hope that you are well. And I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.